Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to sell your cat's airdrop and withdraw it directly to your bank account. Before we jump in, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your assets section in the app. Once you're there, you'll see your cat's airdrop allocation. Look for the option that says Trade and tap on it. This will bring up the trading options. Next, you'll be taken to the spot trading page on BitGet. Here, choose the trading pair for cats, which in this case is cats USDT. You can find it by searching or by scrolling through the list. Tap on the trading pair to open it. Once you're on the trading page, choose the Sell option. Make sure you've selected Market Order to sell quickly. Then, adjust the quantity slider to 100% if you want to sell your entire balance of CATS tokens. Remember, trading might start at specific times, so if it's not working immediately, wait until the designated trading time begins. For example, if you were trading USDT instead, you'd put it on sale using Market Order. Set the quantity slider, and it'll show you the live price. Once you confirm, just tap Sell to complete the trade. The process is the same for CATS. Alright, now let's move on to the withdrawal process. To do this, tap on More in your app, then select P2P. This will take you to the P2P trading page. Since we're withdrawing to a bank account, look for the Limit option and enter your desired withdrawal amount. Adjust the filter to match your amount, say $50 or equivalent to your local currency. This helps you find buyers or sellers within your preferred range. For example, if you're withdrawing $50, set the filter to bring up options for people who are buying within this range. Before you proceed, check the buyer's history and ratings. Look for someone with a high transaction count and positive reviews over the last 30 days. This will ensure a smooth transaction. Once you've selected a buyer, input the amount you want to sell, select your bank account, and confirm the transaction. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully sold and withdrawn your cat's airdrop to your bank account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.